It's such a sad day for Baba Ijesha and of course his supporters or followers. Courts today in Lagos have sentenced Baba Ijesha, Nollywood actor or Yoruba movie actor as well, Baba Ijesha, to 16 years imprisonment over sexual assault. The court therefore sentenced him to 16 years imprisonment for the felony. And Ikeja Special Offences Court in Lagos State today has declared embattled Nollywood actor Omiyinka Olarenwaju James, also known as Baba Ijesha. He has been sentenced for 16 years imprisonment. Baba Ijesha was guilty of sexual assault involving a minor. The court sentenced him to 16 years imprisonment. This was contained in the judgment given by Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo of the Ikeja Domestic Violence and Sexual Offences Court on Thursday today, after he convicted Baba Ijesha of indecent treatment of a child, sexual assault and attempted sexual assault in a 2-hour judgment. Baba Ijesha has been in a protracted legal battle after he was said, after he was seen in a video to have sexually assaulted a 14-year-old girl. Baba Ijesha was arraigned on June 24th, 2021. It's more than 1 year. During the trial, 6 prosecution witnesses testified against him. Among many of those, and most importantly, the major people that accused him, I believe, who Yomi Fabi, protested, did a lot of things, and allegedly made a movie, regard to this case, that Baba Ijesha was set up by Princess the comedian. So they are the people that testified against Baba Ijesha. The court, they are Princess, the 14-year-old minor, Olabisi Ajayi Kayode, a child expert, Aniekan Makajoyo, a medical doctor, Wahab Karim, the investigating police officer, and Abigail Omani, a policewoman. He is now facing a 6-count charge of indecent treatment of a child, sexual assault, attempted sexual assault by penetration, and sexual assault by penetration. But the court struck out today. The charges were proffered against him by the Lagos State Directorate of Public Prosecutions to the DPP. According to this is from Sahara Reporters, they have earlier reported that the popular Yoruba actor claimed the scene showing his alleged molestation of a minor was part of movie production, which was not true. The actor, Baba Ijesha, told the court that it was the foster mother of the minor, Damilola Dekoya, as Princess the comedian, who asked him to kiss the minor, adding that he was acting a script. He made this revelation while being led in evidence by defense counsel Dada Awosika, senior advocate of Nigeria. Baba Ijesha also claimed that he had received a call from Princess, who requested that he should be part of movie production. Also, a clinical psychologist, Dr. Olukayode Oluwemi, while testifying as a third defense witness before an Ikeja Special Offences Court, claimed that a 14-year-old minor, whom Nollywood actor Olarenwaju James, alias Baba Ijesha, allegedly defied, appeared to have been tortured in her narration of what transpired. So Oluwemi also noted that something was wrong with the footage of an interview conducted by child rights expert and prosecution witness, Mrs. Olabisi Ajayi Kayode. He also made the claim while testifying as a third defense witness before an Ikeja Special Offences Court. So to crown it all, Baba Ijesha is going to be behind bars for 16 whole years. His Nollywood career, the movie industry career, has now been ruined. We watched the video. Many of us watched that last year when he came out, and he came up, and many people say he was a setup. It can't be a setup. How can a grown-up man, a man who is advanced in age, who is popular, what does he really want? Be set up. And even though he's set up, why did he fall for it? That he was trying to abuse a minor, and the girl was there, and he was inappropriately touching her before he got busted. If he wasn't busted, he would have, of course, raped that girl. So all Yomi Fabi's effort has now been, meaning that it has ended in futility. Baba Ijesha has now been sentenced, and that is what he deserves. You look at countries like America. Arukeli, despite his population, his fame and all of that, popularity, despite Arukeli's popularity and fame, here he's sentenced. for Arukele's own is even so much, and he will serve his jail term. You don't come here and make mountains out of money. You don't come here and make issues because a man who many believes is a Nollywood actor, but I don't want to call him a pedophile. He's almost a rapist. He's a child abuser. So he deserved his 16 years jail term. And after coming out of the jail term, I think he must have been rehabilitated. He will take a better view, have a better view about young women.